Hi, we from Second Cup downtown Oakville are very thankful to you, the frontline workers. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for looking after our community. Thank you for your service. Thank you for keeping us safe. And we're ever so grateful to you. Thank you. We shall never forget all your kindness. Just to also remind you that we are Second Cup downtown Oakville. As a token of appreciation, is offering you free coffee anytime. Just come by, show your ID, and you get a free coffee. But thank you so much for what
Christine.
you do.
I have been living in Oakville for over 3 years. COVID-19 has changed all of our lives significantly. To us, the change means a restricted life. But to you who work in the front line in the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital during this challenging time, the change also means exhausting workload and a great danger of getting infected. It has been 8 months and you are still hanging there. I believe you have received a lot of appreciation of different kinds from people in this community. I just want to personally thank you for working day and night to take care of our community. I hope you will have some rest and manage to spend some time with your family. Please do take care, and let's hope our lives will.
Dear healthcare workers from the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, we know it is hard for you to celebrate the holiday season this year because you're still busy fighting with COVID. But we want you to know that you're highly appreciated. You have spent all year taking care of other people. Please don't forget to take good care of yourself too. Thank you so much for doing what you're doing. You're the best. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
I will wish to send my appreciation and love for the hard work you are doing to avoid wasting lives. I would like and hope to believe that each form of health problem, including this pandemic, are temporary and will be gone forever. While most of the people are being told to stay home and to use physical distancing, you are front and center, taking care of those plagued by the COVID-19 virus, which I think really deserves
I want to give thanks to all the healthcare workers. Thank you for all the hard work that you guys did this year. We've got a very hard time, and you guys spend a lot of extra time to help the patients. Thank you for dedicating yourselves to get involved into the dangerous situation that we are facing too. We really appreciate that and hope you guys could be safe.
And Aileen Chen
from Princeton, New Jersey. As we're approaching the end of 2020 amidst a global pandemic, we'd like to take the opportunity to thank the doctors, nurses, and all frontline medical professionals who put their lives and well-being on the line to help stop the pandemic and save countless lives.
We want to let you know that your effort, dedication, and sacrifices are not taken for granted. From hundreds of miles away, we'd like to express our gratitude to those of you at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital for your hard work in keeping our friends and family at your community safe and well.
Our healthcare worker who has stood firm and fought on the front line. Thank you for your hard work. Waiting in peace is the best we can give to our medical staff. Our frontline medical personnel risk their lives to fulfill their medical beliefs. The right to the occasion, regardless of pay, regardless of death or life. To these healthcare workers, please come back safely and take care.
I'm Chen from Supportive Teens, and I'm also a high school student. When the pandemic just started, no one expected it to be this serious. We feel despair during this time, and we also feel love and hope from our community, from people all around us. We are touched that you guys stay determined at the front line of this fight against COVID-19. We all feel grateful for all your effort and your courage. Thank you so much. Wish you and your family stay healthy and safe.
I appreciate all of you at the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. Thank you so much for your hard work and keep our community safe. You are our truly hero. Best wish to you and your family.
Hi,
Merry Christmas.
My name is Eric.
And
I'm an
Happy New
8th
Year.
grade student. I just wanted to say thank you to all the essential hospital workers in Oakville Trafalgar Hospital. Whether or not people acknowledge it, you are the ones who help society by saving lives and working towards a cure. I appreciate you and your families for sacrificing during this difficult time. Stay safe.
To the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital for the sacrifices you make every day, and especially during this pandemic. Your dedication, commitment, and courage deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration. Your service to patients is saving countless lives and making thousands of differences. You are the real healthcare hero in our
to
great
all the
country.
healthcare workers in Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospitals that selflessly give of themselves day after day. And thank you for your contribution to the community.
Hello, my name is Eva, and I'm a resident of Markham. I would like to reach out just to say thank you. You have been on the front lines, taking care of the ill and protecting the healthy person. As we approach Christmas and New Year, when others were cheering and you were still spending time away from your families, you sacrifice a lot as you continue your selfless service to the community in this critical time. Thank you again for all you have done, are doing, and continue to do.
Hello, my name is Chen, and I want to express my real gratitude to the frontline workers who are still working hard to protect the people during the COVID-19. I'm sad to see that the number of cases is increasing every day, but they have not given up. They're still working hard to reduce cases and make vaccines. Hope we can end this as soon as possible. So I really appreciate what the frontline doctors have done in these 8 months.
Hi there. My name
Thank
is
you.
Monica Wang. This message is for all the frontline workers at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. Thank you all for your hard work and the selfless sacrifices during this very challenging year due to COVID-19 global pandemic. You are our heroes. Also, we appreciate the sacrifices your family have made. It must be very difficult. Here, I wish you and your loved ones Happy New Year and all the best in the year of 2021. Please stay safe.
Hello, I'm Carrie Tang, living in Oakville. Many thanks to everyone working in Oakville Trafalgar Hospital and healthcare workers in the country. Thank you for all you are doing during the pandemic. Thank you for your sacrificing time away from your homes to save lives. Please give yourself extreme care, stay healthy, safe, and happy. I'm really grateful to you and the work you are doing.
Hi, I'm Lucas, a grade 9 student.
Hi, I'm Lucas' mom, Yin Hong.
We are so grateful for all your work and efforts, fighting the pandemic with courage and treating the patients with care. I think this makes us feel very safe living in this community.
And we want you to know that we are always with you and we would try our best to provide any support you would need.
Once again, thank you so much and hope you have a sound holiday.
I'm very grateful that our community has a hospital like yours. And with the vaccines coming out, I'm so glad that we can finally see the end of the pandemic. And you'll be able to take a break after all your absolute devotion for the past month. Thank you so much, and please have an amazing Christmas.
Nurses and doctors and dentists. I'm Cindy and I'm 6 years old. You are very brave of all the patients. Then you go close. Just watch out. I don't want you to get hurt. You're very brave. Happy holidays. Happy Christmas.
Hello, my name is Darshan Jain, and I'm a resident of Oakville. I wanted to express my real appreciation and gratitude for the Oakville healthcare workers, especially at the hospital, for all the work that they've been doing over the past 8 months. You know, if it wasn't for you folks looking after the public health side as well as those in need, then this would have been a much more encumbered situation, period. So again, heartfelt thank you for all that you do, and I think we are almost at the end of this, or the beginning of the end, hopefully with vaccines coming soon in the next 6 to 8 months. we will have some sense of normalcy once again. In the meantime, please stay with it, and we do absolutely respect your efforts, and again, a heartfelt thank you.
Hello, my name is Gruber. I am an international student who is currently studying in Oakville. I just want to spread my thankfulness to all those people who's working on the front line. My family especially want to thank them because my brother gets sick during the first wave of the pandemic, and all those people who's getting involved and help my brother to recover is really doing a great job, and I just can't say thank you enough. Without you, the pandemic will get a lot worse. You saved a lot of people's life. So I just want to say, keep doing the great job you're doing, and hopefully everyone can get more careful. Also with the vaccine, I just want this pandemic to be over soon. And thank you to you all again.
Dear doctors, nurses, health workers in Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, how are you? My name's Catherine, and I live in Oakville. Although you don't know me, I do have a very pleasant experience from interactions with all the doctors, nurses, when my father was admitted to hospital last year due to his cardiovascular disease. Christmas is around the corner. I wanted to convey our heartfelt appreciation and gratefulness for your professional healthcare service, sacrifice, and devotion in the fight against the COVID-19 for us. I'm Christian, so I would like to pray for you, for all doctors, nurses, and emergency workers in Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. May you rejoice in the skills you have been given, which enable you to bring hope, healing, and wholeness to those in their care. May you also know guidance and support in times of pain and frustration when your skills are not enough to prevent permanent injury, disability, and death. May God bless each one of you so that you might be a blessing to others. Sometimes I know that you will feel weak, terrified, and fearful as we do. So I pray that peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard the hearts and minds of you. I also ask for courage, for God did not give us a spirit of fear, but of power and love and a sound mind. So please, Heavenly Father, please grant all the healthcare workers your spirit of courage. Grant them a sound mind so they can make decisions. I pray for all the physicians, nurses, and healthcare providers involved in this situation. May you be blessed with the wisdom and grace needed to provide the best care possible. Christmas is really around the corner. So I would like to wish you have a blessed, peaceful, joyful, and safe holiday with your beloved family. Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday. Thank you.
My name is Christine Vasileros, and I am a teacher here in Oakville. And I feel so grateful to be in a community that has a hospital like OTMH. My sister's going in for surgery for breast cancer next week. I can't believe you guys are still running and functioning, and I think the care that all the doctors and nurses and volunteers give back to the community in such an incredible way, and I feel like just so indebted to you, and thank you for all of your hard work.
We at the She family want to send over our holiday greetings to the frontline healthcare providers at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. You guys are the guardian angels who are protecting and saving our lives. 2020 is an unprecedented year. While most of us are being told to stay home and use social distancing, you guys are front and center fighting this contagious and deadly disease. While this year, the holiday season is so different and quiet, you guys are making the sacrifice to ensure we can all have opportunity celebrating and praying together with our loved ones. We're grateful for what you do in the face of COVID. You are truly heroes. We wish you a happy holiday and look forward with hopes as we journey into
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all you're doing to keep us safe and healthy. It's incredible, your courage, your grace, and I really, really want to thank you for everything you're doing. I've been at the hospital myself for different reasons, and I want to say to you, I walk in there and you face so much, and yet you do this to keep us feeling so protected, and I can't tell you how thankful we are. Take care of yourselves. We're thinking of you. We couldn't do this without you, and you give us courage every day to keep moving forward, knowing that we can do this. Okay? We will find a cure. Take care.
I want
Bye.
to say thank you to all of our healthcare workers at the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital for all of the sacrifices you make every day, and especially during this pandemic. Your dedication, commitment, and courage deserves our deepest gratitude and admiration. And I want to let you know that your service to patients is saving countless of lives and is making thousands of differences. So once again, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Allie from Oakville.
And I'm Echo.
And I just want to thank you, the healthcare workers, for all the sacrifices you've made and everything you've done and are still doing to keep our community safe. You are the heroes during this pandemic, and I cannot imagine how hard it is for you to battle this virus and to put your lives on the line every single day.
Thank you so much for all your hard work and bravery in keeping us safe. I hope you can all get some rest soon and enjoy the holidays with your families. We would like to play a song for you to show our appreciation. Hope you enjoy. Happy holidays.
Hi, my name is Chen, and this message is for Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital health workers. You are the soldiers battling in the front line, and I'm very grateful for all you have done helping people surviving through the pandemic. Not knowing when is the end of the darkness, here I want to read a quote. We go around or scramble over the obstacles. We have got to live no matter how many skies have fallen. Thank you again.
Thank you for nurses and doctors. My name is Daniel and I'm 6 years old. I just want to say thank you for fighting super virus. And thank you. Thank you for saving lives. You're my superhero. Stay safe. Stay strong. Say thank you.
You do and your hard work during these times.
Thanks to all the doctors and nurses. We'll never forget your efforts. Your professional mission and dedication allow you to bid farewell to elderly parents and young children in danger, to take care of every patient and patiently answer their questions and provide help within ability. We will always remember your figure standing in front of danger and your firm belief in protecting everyone. You have made extremely important contributions to the control of the development of COVID-19. Many of you even gave your own lives, but you have saved the world. Here, I would like to express my sincerest respect
Hi, this
and
is Leo from
gratitude to you.
Oakville. And this is Alan. We want to send this message to all the nurses, doctors, and healthcare workers. And we want to thank you for helping those in need.
We applaud you for your sacrifice in time and risking your own life for the care of others. We hope you have a happy holidays.
Thank you so much.
Frontline workers, I am extremely thankful for your dedication during this unprecedented time. The sacrifices you and your family have made are not unnoticed. We are sincerely grateful for your tireless efforts. Wishing you all
Hello,
a
Oakville
happy
Trafalgar
holidays.
Memorial Hospital. I just wanted to say, for everything that you all have done for this community over this unprecedented year, thank you. I know you've probably received 1,000 of these thank you messages, but I just hope that you all know how truly grateful we are, and that in this message, we mean each and every word. My name is Sterling, and as a high school student wanting to go into medicine, seeing the hard work you all put in day after day after day inspires me, and I hope I can help other people just like you do someday in the future. Thank you so much once again.
Hi, my name is Aileen and I'm 9 years old.
I would like to thank you, Trafalgar Hospital staff, because you are our lifesavers from the pandemic. I hope you can return home safely for Christmas with your family. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Carl. I actually live very far away from Canada, but my friend, she lives in Oakville, and a few days ago she came to me and said, "Hey Carl, our healthcare workers have been working very hard to ensure my safety and my family's. So I came here to say thank you all for protecting her from the virus. And I hope this message will mean as much as any other to you, although this comes from abroad. But thank you very much for taking care of my friend and protecting her from this COVID thing. Thank you."
My name is Jadiel. To all the frontline workers who have worked so tirelessly and selflessly over the COVID period, continue with your hard work and express yourself, your selflessness, to combat this virus, which is not going away anytime soon. We thank you all for your wonderful work. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jessica, and I just want to say thank you to all the doctors, nurses, and frontline workers. Because of your selfless efforts, contribution, and hard work, we could stay safe and healthy and could have the chance to enjoy holidays with our families. We are so grateful for it. You are all the angels. I would like to wish you and your family a happy and healthy 2021. Please keep safe and keep smiling.
Just wanted to let you know that everyone is super, super grateful for all your work and all your sacrifice during this really difficult time. We wish you all the best of luck.
This is
and
Natalia
stay safe.
Strovsky from Chicago, Illinois, in the U.S. It is so nice of an opportunity for me to be able to send you a huge thanks for all the work that you have been doing in Toronto. My mom is a nurse here in Chicago, and I see how hard she works, how much care she takes to keep her patients safe, and I know that you are doing the same. Thank you so, so, so much. I hope that the new year brings everyone a lot of health, less crazy days, and happiness to be able to share with our friends and family again very soon. And yes, hope for a much better 2021. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
As a grade 9 student in Oakville, I want to say thank you to all the working staff in Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. Thank you for taking care of patients during this pandemic. Thank you for your dedication, your commitment, and your hard work in frontline. Please take care of yourselves. Please protect yourself carefully. Wish you stay healthy and safe. Merry Christmas to you and your family.
I'm a resident of Oakville. I want to express my appreciation to all the doctors, nurses, and frontline healthcare workers for all your job and work have been done for so much and so long, all year around. And we are having an upcoming lockdown this year end. This is not because we're in a bad situation, but rather it's a precaution to live a better Christmas and New Year. And I really want to express my thank you to all you guys for your work. Thank you, and
To the
stay
healthcare
safe.
workers of the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, thank you for risking your lives to help others. Please know that the hard work you are doing has not gone unnoticed. You are the heroes during this pandemic, and your hard work and dedication is greatly appreciated by everyone. Keep working hard because you are saving lives every day. Please stay safe and healthy during these times. Thank you for all the sacrifices you are making for us.
I'm always grateful for doctors and nurses, but this last year has made it even more apparent just how vital they are to our community. And not just that, but also everyone else who works in the healthcare industry, whether it's custodial staff or administrative staff, interns, really everyone. I'm just so grateful for having those people who are willing to be on the front line and make all the sacrifices that are necessary to keep the rest of us safe. So thank you so much for everything that you do.
I'm an 8th grade student. I wanted to express my gratitude to all of the healthcare workers at Oakville Trafalgar Hospital. Thank you for working so tirelessly on the front lines. I really appreciate you for your sacrifice during this difficult time. Because of your efforts, many families will stay safe during this pandemic. I'm so grateful that you are so selfless and brave. Please know that all of your hard work and dedication is greatly appreciated and is not going unnoticed. You are an inspiration and a hero.
Thank you to all the frontline workers risking their lives to help people battle this constantly evolving virus. We really appreciate your help, and you really don't get the credit you deserve. You're truly heroes and some of the bravest people we've seen. Thank you, and thank you.
My name is Victor Chen, and during this holiday season, I'd like to send out a message of thanks to all our frontline healthcare workers. While in the recent months, all of our lives have been disrupted, yours have not been, and for that, I thank you. It cannot be easy working through times like these, and I hope that the stresses and fears that you face at work can be allayed at home. I hope that you are surrounded by loved ones during this holiday season, and that you're able to take a moment, breathe, and unwind.
Hello, my name is Jaylin.
Thank you.
Today, I would like to give a huge shout out to all the healthcare workers helping during this epidemic. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication. I can't imagine how bad the situation would be without you guys. We really do appreciate all your efforts, and I believe the situation will only get better. We will all go through this together. Again, thank you so much.
I'm a saxophone instructor in the Oakville area, and I just wanted to reach out and offer my gratitude to all the healthcare workers at the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, and just to express my gratitude and thanks for all your dedication and selfless hard work that you've been doing through this pandemic. And I encourage you all to continue your hard work to protect us citizens of Ontario. It is so greatly appreciated. All I can say is thank you so much.
Hello, so as a member of the Oakville community, I just wanted to thank everyone at the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. This year has been a very hard year, not just for our community, but for everyone globally. But you guys have been doing great work and making great sacrifices that are making these times more endurable and more safe. And just wanted to show my appreciation. Again, thank you so much. Please take care of yourself and your health. And
thank you to all the healthcare workers for being so selfless. You are the true heroes of our world, and we thank you for risking your lives to protect us.
I really appreciate your hard work and contributions to keeping all of us safe. We hope you and your family stay safe during this difficult time. We're thinking of you, and we're very grateful.
Dear doctors,
thank you.
Nurses, and frontline workers. My name is Kate, and in this holiday season, at the end of this special year, I wish to offer my sincere thanks to you for your efforts, contribution, and hard work in keeping everyone healthy and safe. My family and I are very grateful for your devotion and selflessness towards doing your work, even though there is a high risk of getting the COVID. Happy holidays and wish you a great new year.
Hi, my name's Hua. My family and I have been Oakville residents since 2010. 2020 has been an extraordinary year in many different ways. Our thoughts are with you as you're working tirelessly during this festive season. We're grateful for your professionalism and a commitment to our community. We appreciate your personal courage, your devotion, your great sense of responsibility, and your love and sacrifice has kept our community safe. and helped us fight against this virus. You deserve our deepest gratitude, and we wish you a wonderful holiday season.
Este saludo es para todos los trabajadores del área de la salud del Hospital Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. Su continua labor y dedicación es muy apreciada por todos nosotros. Muchas gracias. No tenemos suficientes palabras para agradecer todos sus esfuerzos y sacrificio, pero estamos de corazón con todos ustedes. Adelante.
Hi, I am David. I am 8 years old. I want to thank all workers at the hospital for doing so much to take care of sick people. I wish you to have a happy Christmas. Stay safe,
Hello.
stay well.
My name is Aileen Wang, and I am a grade 10 student from Appleby College. I want to express my gratitude to everyone helping to combat and control the virus in Oakville. In these uncertain times, it is hard to always stay positive. To all the medical staff out there, I just want you to know that you are truly amazing, and I cannot express my thanks enough with words. I believe that this dark cloud will pass away soon as the development of vaccines continue to show progress. To conclude, I just want to say one last thank you. I hope that my short recorded message could make a difference and bring some positivity that we all need during this time. Stay safe and
Hi,
stay
I want
positive.
to let you know that your work and sacrifice is very much appreciated. Thank you.
Hi, here's
and all the
Athena
best
in
for the
grade
holidays.
6. I appreciate all of you at the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital for your hard work during this pandemic. Being a worker at the hospital is especially difficult during this special time. Your selfless service to our community is helping us all to get through this pandemic. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Be safe and thank you once again.
And I currently live in Oakville. I wanted to say thank you to the healthcare workers for putting their lives on the line to help protect us during this hard time. I cannot imagine the immense courage and kindness it takes to take on such an important role in the community. Through the unpredictability of the future, I have my greatest trust and gratitude for the healthcare workers to guide us through the challenges. A sincere thank you to all the differences
Hi,
that
my
you've
name is
made.
Evelyn, and I really want to thank you so much for your hard work and support during this COVID-19 pandemic. While we're home during lockdown, you guys are working every day and risking your lives for so many other people. I really want to tell you that all your efforts are really appreciated, and you guys are inspiring many young children out there, just like my sister. And because of your efforts, I can trust my family, friends, or neighbors to stay safe during this crisis. And you guys are really the heroes
I'd just like to say thank you to all the healthcare workers at the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. I appreciate all that you do to provide healthcare to people in our region. And I'm grateful for your willingness to take risks to show up at work and be there for us. I want you to know that I take the social distancing measures seriously. I stay home as much as possible, and when I go places that are indoors and where I'm likely to encounter people, I always wear a mask. And we're doing our best to prevent ourselves from being infected by COVID-19, and we greatly appreciate having you guys available to help us in the event that we get sick and need help. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I am a resident near the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. I would like to extend my thanks to all the healthcare workers for working tirelessly in the front lines, keeping the community and everyone safe. I really can't imagine what our lives would be if it weren't for you guys. Finally, I wish everyone a safe and happy holidays. May 2021 be kind to us.
For all that you do for us. I know that I wouldn't feel as safe and my family wouldn't feel as safe if we didn't know that you were out there fighting for us and working so hard to keep us all safe and to save people who get sick, especially with such a deadly and scary virus like COVID. Thank you for everything that you do, and I hope that you're able to stay as safe as possible during this amazing.
Hi, I'm Shanna, and I just wanted to thank you for all your hard work as you continue to battle the coronavirus on the front lines. You're putting yourself at an immense risk of being infected, and yet you still courageously go to work every day. Thank you so much for everything you've done and everything you're still doing, and I hope that you have a safe Christmas and a happy
My name is John, and to all the medical staff out there, I would like to say thank you.
You are our society's frontline against this pandemic that took away thousands of lives. You are the first to witness its atrocities, but also the last to escape its danger. You put away your family, your friends, and even the safety of your own lives so that you can focus on saving and protecting the lives of others. And this is what I would like to call true courageousness and selflessness. And it is exactly because of this that I would like to offer my fullest appreciation and once again, a very, very sincere thank you.
Dear doctors, nurses, and staff members of the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, at this very special time of the year, I would like to wish you and your family all happy holidays and a healthy, happy, and prosperous 2021. Thank you for all that you have done all these years, and even more so in this incredible year that is 2020. Thank you for being the backbone of our community and for always watching over us and protecting us throughout this pandemic. Words cannot express how grateful we all are for your hard work, dedication, and sacrifices. Truly, thank you for everything.
My name is Kevin. I am 7 years old and I am a second grade student. I want to thank all the hospital workers at Oakville Trafalgar Hospital. Thank you for taking care of sick people from the pandemic. Thank you for not panicking at this dangerous time. Stay safe. Happy holidays.
Hi, this is Gail from Oakville. I just want to say thank you to all of you. I'm highly, highly grateful to all of the medical staff at Oakville Memorial Hospital. We're indebted to your great dedication and efforts. It is your inexorable contribution and unfaltering courage that have inspired all of us to stand united in this strive. So here I'm just wishing you and your family a great, safe, and sound holiday. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sabrina Wayne, and I'm a high school student from Oakville. I want to offer my real appreciation and gratitude for all the Oakville healthcare workers for all the work they have been doing in the past few months. Quarantine has always been a hard time for everyone, but it also made me realize all the efforts you have put in to fight against COVID-19. I want to say a sincere thank you for all the services you have done for the community and people, and I wish you can relax and enjoy during this Christmas break.
Hello, my name is Emma, and my family and I just want you to know that we're so thankful for what you're doing for our community, for being so brave, and we're doing our part. You know, we're staying home, and we all know that you guys are looking out for everybody and taking care of everybody, and there's no way that we can do this without you. And while everyone I know is thinking about you guys, and when this is all over, when we get through these tough times, we're so excited to be able to celebrate with you. And just thank you so much. Have an excellent day, and please
Dear
take care.
healthcare workers at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, thank you for putting yourself at risk for the greater good. Thank you for your service to the most vulnerable patients. Please know that we are all thinking of you and we'll go through this together. It's a difficult time, but I trust that our community has come together and bond together more than ever before. Please remember to take care of yourself, be kind of yourself. I'm grateful for all the work you've done and all the differences that you've made.
Dear essential workers, we want to thank you for all the effort and time you have put into helping out our community. We wish you to have a Merry Christmas, and again, thank you for all the help. While the times may seem bleak, we hope you can spend some time with your loved ones away from the front line. From the bottom of our hearts, have a happy holiday and a healthy new year.
To offer my sincere gratitude and appreciation to your dedication against COVID-19 since February. You marched into the hospital every single day while the general public are advised to stay home. It is easy to forget to say thank you, especially during this time of uncertainty. Being in quarantine for the past few months has given me time to reflect, and I take this time to thank you for your services to the community and beyond. When adversity adheres, you chose to stand tall as the heroes of our society. These courageous behaviors deserve our greatest respect. I wish you have some time to relax.
Hi, a big thank you for all those frontline workers at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. I wanted to take a moment during this holiday season to let you know that your work and sacrifice is very much appreciated. Once again, my wife thanks you, my dog Chester thanks you, and I thank you. Happy New Year.
Hello, to the healthcare workers of Halton Region. I'd just like to say that thank you so much for treating us and caring for us during this time of hecticness and chaos. I know the pandemic has been hard, but it's probably been even harder for you guys. And I'd really like to express my gratitude for how you guys have been sticking with us through it all. And that even though things are hard for us, it's probably still harder for you guys. And until the pandemic is over and even afterwards, I'd just like to say that you guys are absolutely amazing and we appreciate you so much. And I really hope that you guys get a well-deserved break.
I just want to say how grateful I am for the work that you guys have done for the community. I remember when COVID first broke out, everyone was in fear. There was persistent paranoia about catching the virus. But the risk that we face every day is incomparable to the risk that you guys face as healthcare workers. You are a lot more brave than I am. There are people I know who had caught COVID. In some cases, the symptoms could cause severe discomfort. While there is nothing we can do for them besides verbal support, you guys are doing everything you can. I want to say thank you for that. And thank you for letting us know that there is always help waiting for us, even when a worst-case scenario happens.
Firstly, I'd like to thank all the frontline healthcare workers for such a hard work and effort. I know it's been a very hard year, but with vaccines coming in a few months, I hope everyone stays safe and healthy until the very end. Thank you always, and
Hi,
Merry Christmas.
my name is Tom Tao. My wife and my daughter live in Oakville, and I spend a couple of months every year in Oakville too. I have not been back to Oakville since the start of the pandemic. I want to thank you for all your hard work and dedication in the past 8 months to take care of the people in the town. The pandemic is a kind of fatal challenge that we, the human being, could face once a century. But because of you, I feel less worried about the health and safety of my family. And I even become more confident about the future of human being. I hope you will all stay safe and well toward the end of the pandemic. Please take care of yourself and your family while you take care of the others.
Thank you so much for the sacrifices that you make. Especially during this pandemic, you're saving countless lives and making thousands of differences. You guys are the true heroes in this world because you put yourselves at risk to help others during this frightening time. Your courage and commitment deserve our deepest gratitude. As an eager high school student who wants to become a doctor in the future, I really look up to you guys, and you guys are my true admiration.
My name is Amy,
Thank
and
you.
I would like to thank the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital for sticking through with us during COVID. Their bravery has showed us that even though during these tough times, we can still make it through. I would also like to thank them for following the protocol and making all of us safe.
Hello, this is Raghat from Second Cup. I just wanted to thank you for being a frontline worker. We appreciate you so much here. Thank you for being so brave and helping our community be safe. Hope you have a good day. Thank you so much.
For all you're doing. You are all working to get patients well with no regard for your own health. Thank you to all of the healthcare workers who selflessly give themselves to others. You are the true heroes and should be recognized as much. I appreciate that you are risking your health to care for the community. Love and blessing to you all. I'm staying home to do my part. I wish you rest and stay as safe as you
Hello,
can.
thanks for all the healthcare workers that's keeping us healthy and safe out there. We know that it's
probably a lot of pressure and a lot of hard work over the past year, and we just want to say we really appreciate that.
A thank you and say happy holidays to all of the health workers who are working tirelessly to help keep our communities safe. Thank you from me and my family for the sacrifices you make every day and especially during this pandemic. Your dedication, commitment, and courage deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration. Your service to patients is saving countless lives and making thousands of differences. We are staying home for you and know that we are deeply grateful for all that you do. This holiday has been a different one for all of us, but without you, any celebration
Invictus
would not have been possible.
by William Ernest Henley. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the foul clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody, but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how strait the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Thank you for all what you do for us, frontline workers. Best wishes, Carol Bysouth.
Hi, my name is Jenna from E.G. James Public School. Thank you for your service during the pandemic and make the community a safe place to live. Me, my mom, my dad, my sister, my dog Jordan, and my cat Catherine all wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
To all the healthcare workers at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, thank you so much for your continuous hard work during these difficult times to keep us all safe.
You're brave, professional, and compassionate.
You're willing to give up your time with your loved ones to go to the front lines.
You put yourselves at risk and keep fighting for us every day.
We wouldn't be able to get through this time without you.
You are our real heroes.
We're deeply appreciative of everything you do.
Please stay well and safe. Happy New Year.
Frontline medical workers, thank you for your help and participation in this outbreak. Help us get through this dangerous period quickly. It's also important to keep yourself safe, and your families are waiting for you to return.
To all the Oakville Memorial Hospital healthcare care workers, thank you for being on the front line of battling the novel coronavirus disease that's spreading rapidly throughout the city. Thank you very much.
This is Mr. Du from Appleby College. Right now, our healthcare workers are on the front line of battling the COVID-19 that's spreading repeatedly through our city, province, and nation. They are putting themselves in the path of this virus in Canada and around the world. In this unprecedented crisis, our doctors, nurses, technicians, transporters, emergency medical technicians, pharmacists, and everyone who supports patient care are risen to the occasion and care for our most valuable populations. Thank you to the Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital for the sacrifices you make every day, and especially during this pandemic. Your dedication, commitment, and courage deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration. Your service to patients is to serve countless lives and make thousands of a difference. You are the real healthcare hero in our great country. Thank you very much.
This is Erica on behalf of my family of 4 who have been happily living in Oakville for over 5 years. 2020 is an extremely challenging year for everyone, and we want to take this opportunity to send our special thanks and holiday greetings to you, every frontline healthcare worker at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. We are deeply grateful to every one of you who are working tirelessly, risking your health, caring for patients, and helping keep our community safe. Thank you. As we say goodbye to 2020 and hello to some light at the end of the tunnel, my family and I want to wish you and your loved ones a very happy, healthy, and safe holiday season and best wishes for a better new year.
Stay safe and happy holidays.
Hi, my name is Lucy, and I just wanted to thank all of the healthcare workers in Oakville for your immense effort and hard work at the front lines and helping everybody get through these tough times. Your work is so appreciated by everyone, and we cannot thank you enough for all that you've done for our community. I wish you all a safe, happy holiday where you can get some much-needed rest and spend time with your loved ones. We hope you have a wonderful holiday, and we thank you so much for all
everything you have done for me, for our community, for our nation. You truly are the bravest of all heroes, day in and day out. The amount you sacrifice for the rest of us is truly inspiring, and your efforts have not been overlooked by either me or all the people you benefit through your selfless actions. I know times have been rough right now, not just for you, but for the whole community. But you still continue to serve others and improve the world, little by little. You are the prime example of a hero, being selfless in all actions, and always looking to help others no matter the situation. Even if the world is in a pandemic, you still find ways to help people. You are the epitome of kindness, thoughtfulness, selflessness, and many other wonderful adjectives. I just can't thank you enough for everything you do. No matter what the task is, you still agree to help others, even when times are deadly and fear is running amok. You continue to serve as a light of hope, a light that can never be extinguished. Thank you so much. I truly thank you.
Our healthcare workers are on the front lines of battling the COVID-19. That's spreading rapidly throughout our city, province, and nation. They are putting themselves in the path of this virus, in Canada and around the world, in this unprecedented crisis. Our doctors, nurses, technicians, transporters, emergency medical technicians, pharmacists, and everyone who supports patient care are rising to the occasion and caring for our most vulnerable
Hey, this is Richie Wu. I want to express my appreciation for all the frontline workers and healthcare workers that are working tirelessly to save lives and keep our communities going. I hope y'all have a great holiday and know that everyone is so thankful and blessed for everything that you've done for the community.
I'm Wendy from MLS. I want to thank all of the hospital workers at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. You are greatly appreciated during these difficult times. On normal circumstance, what you do is already tough, but right now you are facing an even scarier battle. Thank you for staying strong and sacrificing your health for others. Because of you, I am confident that my community, my family, and my friends are getting the care they need. Not all heroes wear capes. Some wear masks too. Thanks again for everything you do.
So 2020 has been quite different because of the pandemic, and it is definitely a catastrophic year. And I'd like to thank all the medical workers and frontline people for their ongoing supports, dedications, and sacrifices during this period. And without you guys, we couldn't live a safer life during this pandemic. And without you guys, we wouldn't got the vaccine within a year. And I know there have been many obstacles like inadequate policies or people not cooperating, but you guys have never given up. So I just want to appreciate all of you guys. You guys are indubitably the greatest bunch of people of 2020.
Right now, you, city, state, and the nation, you are putting yourself in the path of this virus in Oakville and around the world in this unprecedented crisis. Doctors, nurses, technicians, transporters, EMTs, pharmacists, and everyone who supports patient care are rising to the occasion and caring for our most vulnerable populations. Thank you for the sacrifices you make every day and especially during this pandemic. Your dedication, commitment, and courage.
This is Lei Cheng. I want to thank each and every one of you in Oakville Hospital for all your hard work during these difficult times. Thank you for risking your lives to save people from this pandemic. Thank you for not giving up even when things are dire and stressful. Thank you for keeping the hospital running and saving lives every single day. I know I can say all the thank yous in the world, but still won't be enough to recognize your efforts. You are the real hero, and we won't be able to get through this without you. I know, unfortunately, the COVID cases are on the rise again as holiday season approaches. I can't imagine how busy and exhausted you are. I hope that you're finding ways to take care of yourself too. Thank you so much, and please stay safe.
I'm William. I want to forward my appreciation and regard to all the staff at Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital for being in the front line, taking care of all the patients in need. Thank you tremendously for doing your absolute best with your time and efforts during this peak COVID period. I pray for your own well-beings, mentally and physically. I hope everyone is able to return home safely and reunite with their families with happiness and warmth over the holidays.
Thank you for being a hero. During these tough times, I appreciate all the actions and the choice you have done for us. You are my truly heroes. While I don't know you, I'm proud of you. It takes a lot of courage and strength to the world. I will forgive everything for you. I hope you continue to be strong. We will get through this together. Thank you for making a difference in the world. Stay safe.
Hello,
Happy holidays,
I'm Chen, living in Oakville. Thank you to everyone at Oakville Trafalgar Hospital and healthcare workers in the country for the sacrifice you make every day during this pandemic. Your dedication, commitment, and courage deserve our deepest gratitude and admiration. Your service to patients is saving countless lives and making thousands of difference. You are the hero of this era. Please also take care of yourself and your family. Thank you.